The blade of Wing Fun was haunted!
Stop it! Stop it right now!
What's wrong with you? Pretty much my whole identity. Sokka, the meat and sarcasm guy. But I'm willing to be Sokka, the veggies and straight talk fella. Deal?
A few minutes later.
Aang! Thank goodness! Have you got any meat?
Hey, how was that cheering me up?
Cheered me up. Ow! Yeah, I probably deserve that.
That's enough!
Okay.
Are you sure? I've never not slept before. What if I fall asleep now and something happens? And something always happens!
King Fireflakes. Best in town.
I'll take him.
Flaming fire flakes. Hot.
Out of here.
I can't.
Sure you can. A little... Yeah, bending slice. And we're on our way.
Kids after school.
After what?
I enrolled in a Fire Nation school. And I'm going back tomorrow.
Enrolled in what? What could you possibly do for a country of depraved little fire monsters?
I'm gonna throw them a secret dance party.
Go to your room!
Well, hello. Zuko, yes. Why would I be expecting anyone different? Great. I'll see you now.
Sorry.
Up and I go way back, don't we, boy?
Easy. Down. Oh, all we need to do is make Zuko angry. Easy enough. Okay, cut it out. It's very thirst quenching, though. Drink apple juice. It'll quench you.
Nothing's quenchier. It's the quenchiest.
Okay, I think you've had enough.
Baby, it's friendly.
Let's just keep moving. I hope it's okay.
Friendly mushroom.
Sorry about your boomerang, Sokka.
I feel like I've lost part of my identity.
Here's your produce ponytail guy.
I used to be Boomerang Guy. Yeah, Boomerang!